Hi friends, welcome to Top Victory English YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to discuss that how we can combine two local drives into one. So before we start the video, there will be only one request which is always requested, to kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel. So let's start. Click on this PC. So as you can see that I have 4 drives here. I am going to transform new volume E and new volume F. So click on this PC, right click on manage. Now a new window will be open in the front of you. Now we will simply click on storage, then disk management. Now it says connecting to virtual disk and many other else. Now there are all the drives, hard drives which are connected into the computer or laptop. Remember E and F are required to be combined now. Now we have put on it in disk 2. It exists here. So we have to format one of them. First click on, let's select new volume F. First of all we will select it and right click and delete volume. All the data in the drive will be deleted. We click on yes and it is deleted. Now it is unallocated space. Now click on this other one and click on extend volume. Then the wizard will be open. Just keep clicking next. It's the amount you want to select. We will click let it on default. Now it has been created and with it was such an easy task after all. Now look. Just refresh and look at the size, both have been combined. So I hope that this video will be useful for you. If it is, then kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Otherwise also please subscribe, and if there is any video not present on my channel which you want, so there are comment section, man, comment me, I will make it for you. Thank you.